Welcome to all. My topic is equipments for mathematics laboratory. Introduction of mathematics laboratory. Mathematics teaching in today's school is textbook dominated, concerned primarily with the manipulation of symbols and all too often largely removed from the real world of the child. Endless repetition, meaningless memorization, and general lack of interest are other few reasons that attribute negative attitude towards mathematics. Taking into consideration the national aspiration and expectation reflected in the recommendation of National Curriculum Framework developed by NCERT had initiated a number of steps to make teaching and learning of mathematics at school stages activity based and experimentation oriented. Mathematics laboratory is a place where students can learn and explore mathematical concepts and verify mathematical facts and theorems through a variety of activities using different materials. These activities may be carried out by the teacher or the students to explore, to learn, to stimulate and develop favorable attitude towards mathematics. Need and importance of mathematics laboratory. It includes the habit of self-study and independent work among the students. Habit of critical thinking and logical reasoning can be developed. It supplements classroom learning. Complex theoretical concept can be made clear. Learning of subject matter can be given a practical shape. Interest in learning mathematics can be developed. Bookish knowledge can be correlated with practically with their daily life. It stimulates individual interest and initiative in the study of subject matter. It provides a less formal environment of study as compared to usual classroom training. It promotes the students with opportunity to develop their explorative, creative and initiative faculties. Objectives of mathematics laboratory: to provide readily accessible such manipulate material, to emphasize on learning by doing, to develop an attitude of inquiry, remove the weakness of present day mathematics education, to develop much needed confidence in students, to generate interest in the subject, to make the students divergent thinkers, to make the children to look for pattern and ask questions. Materials and equipments for mathematics laboratory: concrete material, picture and charts, models, bulletin board and blackboard. Concrete material. The mathematics lab should contain materials such as beads, pebbles, sticks, ball frames, seats, balances, weight measuring tapes, scissors, pins, abacus, cardboard, board pins, chart paper, graph paper, etc., which were very helpful for demonstrating elementary mathematical concepts. And then picture and charts: picture of mathematician, history of mathematician, chart showing contribution of mathematics, biographic of mathematicians are very helpful in inspiring students and can be placed in the mathematics laboratory. Models: various mathematical models which will offer opportunity for students to explore and investigate should be placed in the mathematical laboratory. Bulletin board: there should be at least one bulletin board in the mathematics laboratory to display various illustrations concerning mathematics, information relating to mathematics and its application collected from different sources like magazine, journals and newspaper, and can be displayed for the benefit of all the pupils. Blackboard: a blackboard should be provided in the mathematics laboratory. This help in writing instruction, drawing geometrical figures and illustrations necessary for performing the laboratory work. Functions of mathematics laboratory: mathematics teaching and learning interesting and purposeful for the students, providing activities that arouse the curiosity of the students and maintain their interest in learning. Concrete the abstract mathematical concept, help the child develop the ability of keen observation, help the students develop power of observation, analysis and drawing inference, enable students to develop proper skills in handling equipments and gadgets, make students appreciate the practical applicability of mathematical principles and law. Conclusion: nowadays, the role of the teacher is reduced to facilitator, a strategy for teaching mathematics in a mathematics laboratory atmosphere that would transform the position of the teacher from being active speaker to the facilitator. Conceptualizing mathematical ideas stimulates the growth of analytical thought, which is critical for succeeding in the modern world. The conceptual understanding will better enable students to handle logical and complex information throughout their lives. Thank you.